Alright, cat parents, it's time for part 2 of foods your cat should never eat. Stick around because number 5 might just surprise you. 1. Raw dough. It can expand in their belly and cause major bloating. Plus, the fermentation, that creates alcohol. Double trouble. 2. Avocados. The person in these can turn a kitty's day sour with upset stomachs and worse. Brie. Macadamia nuts. Tiny but toxic, healthy for humans, but these can leave your cat weak and miserable. 4. Fatty scraps and bones. They might seem tempting, but they can cause pancreatitis or even choking hazards for your cats. And finally, milk. Yep, you heard it right. In fact, most cats are actually lactose intolerant. That means milk is more likely to cause a mess than be a treat. Dough, avo, nuts, bacon, and milk? I'll pass on the drama. Just keep the catnip coming, okay? Keep your kitty safe, stick to the cat food, and always double check before sharing.